This is it. Stay grouped together. Don't move too far from the fires.
Kill this shithead.
Perfect slow, by the way. Group together towards Diamond.
Where's Diamond? Oh, there it is.
We're gonna move across. We're gonna zigzag this actually. Taunt the head. Hell I.
No, me. I'm taunting.
Okay, whoever chooses taunting it.
Cross bomb.
We're waiting it to drop. We're gonna go right, big right.
Watch out for mines when they come out.
Here they come.
Mines are out.
Watch your step.
Probably one of those rock.
Watch out for the rocket strike.
Watch your step. Keep moving.
Laser barrage. Okay,
We're gonna move toward this door, so we can have room to go left. We're gonna go left. We're gonna go left.
Watch your step. Run out.
Watch out for the rocket strikes.
Shock left.
Drop. Where's the frost bomb? Yep. Good
yeah,
move.
then.
Watch your step.
More damage on top. Range, start moving to middle. I'll pump the head.
You guys have it.
Run out.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Watch your step. Watch your step. Keep moving.
Don't be in front. Don't be in front.
More damage on top. More damage on top. Range.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Watch your step.
This is... We're right there. More damage on bottom melee if you can push it.
Run out.
Run out, run out.
Push the bottom. Come on, people. We got this. Middle, 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 middle.
Bottom push.
Good
Great
fucking
job.
shit, people.
Yeah.
Good